Okay, so my dad is snoring up a storm. Like, seriously, I'm gonna shoot someone. We were supposed to go out to eat. I took a shower. He made me jump in the shower first because he's tired of waiting for me. But guess what? I'm waiting for him. He's sitting there snoring. Do you see him? There. Right there. Freaking A. Come on. This sucks. I'm bored. Are you bored? Because I'm bored. Can you entertain me? Say something funny. Make me laugh. He won't wake up. I can speak the loudest and he will not wake up. His mouth's like open. He's like... It's pretty funny. You should actually see it. It's hilarious. But yeah, well, I'm gonna leave you now. Let you do whatever you're doing. Have some fun. But yeah, hope you all have a great time while I sit here listening to this symphony over there. Peace out. Oh great, my computer froze again!